Uncle Mark here. So you've got a trailer that's got some lights that are either dirty or burnt out. How do you change them? It's really easy. Take a look. I'll show you step by step. These are really easy to do. Just grab with your fingers like this. Kind of squeeze a little bit and pull this way. And it just pops out. See the way little fingers are here? So don't pry or anything like that. Just, and then you can do the bulb. I already took the bulb out. This is what the bulb looks like. It's this one's working. But it basically just snaps in and snaps out. Let's get a closer look. So just grab it and just kind of wiggle it. You see the way that looks, huh? And it just fits in there. So just, it might be a little tough. Don't try and take this apart. It's just a housing for it. The bulb just kind of, it might help if you held this with two fingers and then, like I'm holding a camera, so I can't do it. Hold this with one hand, hold that with another hand, and just kind of rock it back and forth and it'll come out. And stick her back in, the new one, and then the cover. So just stick them in the holes. Make sure all four of them are in there. Just push it that way. There you go. Do the same if you have bugs in some of them. Let's take a look at a buggy one. I've noticed in the bedroom here, this guy, let's just whip it around here for a minute. Get you some light. You can see we've got bugs in here, huh? That's your typical, it gets colder, they start going all over the place. Come in here, come in there. So let's see if we can do this. Sorry for the unsteady hand. So again, just grab it, squeeze it, pull it that way. But try not to do it with the camera. And you can just dump them. Wife won't like this, but you can blow them out or wipe them out, whatever you like to do. Can't remember how that goes, right? Goes in the first hole. Make sure all of it's in. Just push it over. Don't have to jam it. Much better looking. See, we got another couple flies in there. Let's try and get those two. Try with the other hand. Squeeze it, move it over. There you go. You might have to just squeeze it a little bit to get it to go in there. Not too hard. They may be getting brittle. But just line up those little pieces in there and then just click, push them in. The one guy, I'm going to put him here with this one. I won't tell the wife. She'll see it in the spring. Pretty simple. You don't have to pry. You don't have to do anything like that. So that's really how easy it is to do something with the trailer lights. They may be these are the newer style. Don't require any prying at all. Don't need any kind of tools. If you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? You can subscribe down here too, and put a link up here for other trailer related videos that I do. Usually it's automotive, cars, trucks, vans kind of thing. But this time we've got some trailer ones. Till next time, you and your family stay well. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Let's see if there's a bulb number. There's some kind of a number here, but I can't read it. So just grab it from both sides and just wiggle just lightly. Just give her a good pull. You might, whoa! Where's the cover now? You see the way these holes are here? So just take the little feet, put them in the first couple holes there, line everything up, and then just push it over. It should just... Turn light. Light with one hand, camera with the other. To clean them up. It's very easy. Take a listen.